Hey Google, what's the temperature in Allahabad?
In Allahabad, it's currently 42.
It's a scorcher. Hey, it's Akshay from Kitchen Flames and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Well, summers are in and the temperature is soaring high. So if you want to beat the heat, then my watermelon lemonade is just the perfect summer drink for you. It will refresh and replenish your body and your soul for that matter. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you're one hell of a foodie. Now let's get into the video. To start with, here I've taken watermelon which is of 2.5 kgs. Now here I'll show you how to cut a watermelon. First thing you want to do is cut the watermelon into half. Once you get it split apart, you want to cut it again into half. Now go very carefully and remove the watermelon from the rind. Once it's out, cut it into bite-sized pieces and transfer it in a bowl. Do this with the rest of the wedges. Once you are done cutting that beautiful watermelon out, transfer it in a blender. To the blender, add in 3-4 tablespoons of sugar, few mint leaves and juice of 2 lime. Before blending, remove the seeds of lime if there are any. Now take a bowl and pour the blended mixture through a fine mesh strainer to remove seeds and pulp. If you think your mixture is a bit thick, pour in water to adjust the consistency. Now take 2 glasses and half fill the glasses with ice cubes. To the half filled ice glasses, pour in 1 cup club soda in each of them. You can also go for any lemon flavored cold drink. Now add the watermelon juice. Make sure you fill up the glasses up to the brim. Before serving, tuck in a piece of watermelon and a sprig of mint. This drink is totally irresistible and I can't wait to guzzle it down on a warm day. Cheers guys.